Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for those of you who are new here, my name is Chloe Swift Stylist. I am a professional hairstylist and I have a love for all things beauty, fashion and style. But today is a really exciting video because I'm bringing you something brand new. It's only just been launched and it is the brand new Ghd Unplugged Styler. So it comes in black and it comes in white, and I've got both here to show you today and show you the differences between the two, talk to you about the product and why it is so amazing. So let's get into it. So we'll start off with the black Ghd Unplugged. So both of them come in this faux leather pouch, which is super stylish and super cute. And this is what Unplugged looks like. So it's super sleek, super stylish, really premium looking. And I just love it. It's obviously a cordless styler. Ghd has actually been making and trying to produce their cordless styler for about 10 years now, which is so crazy to think about. But for them, they really didn't want to bring out a tool that was going to compromise kind of the Ghd name. So everyone knows Ghd to be these amazing products that give incredible results just with kind of one pass of the hair. And that is one thing Ghd did not want to compromise when they were bringing out a cordless styler. It had to be the same quality, the same kind of Ghd experience. And for everyone who uses Ghd, you kind of know like, that's Ghd hair. It's so incredible. So that's why it's been so long in the making. And they also wanted to bring out a styler that is lightweight, it's portable, so it's ideal for kind of taking on a holiday, slipping into your bag, so literally everyday use. Imagine just going to the gym, quickly styling over your hair after the gym. So if you're going for drinks after the gym, after work, it is honestly just incredible. So it's on the go, compact and ideal for top up styling. This is the white pouch, so again, faux leather. Undo that. And here is the white Unplugged. Here are the two Unplugged side by side. I think the key thing, what I love about the Unplugged, is you're not compromising on the plate size. So when we're saying kind of small, compact Unplugged, as in kind of, I guess, the styler as a whole, but it's not exactly a miniature styler. So the plates are only 25% smaller than the Ghd Gold plates. So they're only slightly smaller than the kind of normal Ghd plates anyway. This is the charger for Ghd Unplugged, which I think is so key for the product because it's so small and it's easy to carry around with you. Again, like I say, the product is about being portable, compact, lightweight, easy to take away on holiday or just in your bag every day. So obviously this is a UK charger, so it actually pushes down in here, so it neatly like stores away. And the charging point itself is a USB-C. So it's got USB-C on both sides, which is really great. So it's ideal for charging on a MacBook, on a laptop. It's ideal for in-car charging. You can literally even charge it on the plane. So as you're going on holiday, you can charge it on the plane. The runtime, Ghd are communicating, the runtime is 20 minutes with the Ghd Unplugged. And that's really key that they're communicating that, because I guess the last thing you want to do is kind of promise it lasts for X amount of time and then it doesn't last for X amount of time. So they are communicating 20 minutes of time, and that is that guaranteed Ghd performance. So you're definitely not losing any power of a Ghd styler. Ghd is saying it's the same guaranteed performance as a plug-in Ghd styler, which is just incredible. So even though saying that it lasts up to 20 minutes, to be honest, I've used it and it's lasted on my hair for 33 minutes. So I think it really just depends maybe how you're using the tool, and I'll talk to you as well about really kind of good runtime tips and how to get the best use out of your tool. So my hair is naturally slightly wavy, and I have also put it in kind of one loose braid overnight, which is kind of giving it a bit more texture. So what I'm going to do is show you kind of two things with my hair. Here I'm just going to enhance the wave, so I do that a lot in the mornings. If it kind of looks semi-okay but I just want to add a bit more definition and add a bit more wave, then of course your top-up styler, your Ghd Unplugged, is perfect for that. But then again, on this side, I am going to show you what it is like to straighten and just show you how amazing the quality is of the hair and the shine and just the end result when you do use Ghd Unplugged to straighten. Okay, so runtime tips. So I'm going to turn on my styler. It makes that sound when you turn it on, and then the light is pulsating until it's fully heated up. So anyone who's a fan of Ghd and the brand, they know that all of the products work at 185. And again, that's something the tool is not compromised on. It's still that guaranteed 185-degree temperature, which doesn't damage your hair, and it keeps your hair healthy and shiny. So it will stop pulsating once it has heated up. And you can see this little bar here. So that's showing 100% charge. Basically, every time one of these bars goes down, you've lost a 20% charge. So it's really key to plug it in and top up the charge as you've noticed maybe it's going down, rather than leaving it to kind of all drain battery. So I'll show you a section here. And as I say, on this side, I'm just going to enhance the wave that's already there. So I'm just rotating half a turn down, half a turn upwards, and then gliding kind of 2 inches down at a time. And you can see that incredible result that Unplug gives. So to make your styler last for the longest amount of time as possible, Ghd recommend that you don't keep turning the styler on and off. So you're more kind of continually using the tool. And that is because, as you can imagine, the battery uses the most amount of power and the most amount of energy when it's heating up to 185 degrees Celsius. So it uses the most amount of power just with those kind of first initial few seconds. So the more times that you turn it off and then turn it back on again, the plates need to reheat back up, basically. So continual runtime is really key with Unplugged. You don't always have to charge Ghd Unplugged fully to be able to use it. So it doesn't need 100% charge to be able to use it. Whereas I know some of the competitor tools, you do actually need a full charge on it to be able to use it, which can be quite annoying. So the good thing is with Ghd Unplugged, you could almost just plug it in for half an hour if that's all you've got, and it will obviously give it some charge. It won't be a full charge, but you can still use the tool after that kind of small amount of charge. If you do want to charge the tool up to 100% and give it a full charge, Ghd say that it takes about 2 hours to fully charge your tool. So here I'm just adding in some really loose waves into the bangs. But you can see just how much shine it gives my hair. So compared to completely naturally dried, unstyled hair, Ghd Unplugged actually gives your hair 65% more shine, which is just incredible. Same performance and same guaranteed Ghd result as a plug-in styler. It's travel safe, it's flight safe, so it's hold and hand luggage approved. So you could put it underneath the hold in the plane, and you could keep it in your handbag whilst you're flying. And I think for me, I'm mainly just going to use it and keep it in my handbag, kind of a day-to-day use. As I say, after the gym, quickly styling your hair if you've got plans after the gym. After work drinks, say if you're just in a rush after work, and you just quickly need to whip something out of your bag, go over your hair a couple of passes. Unplugged's amazing for that. Unplugged is amazing for fringes. So fringes can kind of tend to go a bit AWOL during the day. So Ghd Unplugged is amazing for that. So you can see it has only gone down by 1 bar already. So I've lost about 20% already. And how quick you can just style your hair with that kind of top-up styling. So on this side, that's all I'm going to do. I just literally want to top it up, add that shine, and just enhance the hair. And now I'm going to use my white Unplugged. So the white Unplugged is just heated up. It's just giving that sound. And I'm just going to show you how amazing it is for straightening the hair. So I am still going to section my hair off into just quite rough sections, just to show you really the full effect of the tool. And I'm going to pop in my little mini paddle brush. How cute is this little mini paddle brush? But again, the mini paddle brush is great for just for keeping in your handbag and just for on the go. So just leading the way with the mini paddle brush, just to give the best kind of amount of tension for your hair. So look at that. Just one pass, one glide of Unplugged. Literally amazing. So at this point, as I'm taking my sections, I'm not turning off the styler. So don't turn off the styler, because as I mentioned earlier, actually heating up to 185 is what kind of uses most of the power with Unplugged. I just think it's so incredible to see. Look at that, honestly. Amazing. So incredible just to see that it is, honestly, I'm not even just being biased, it is that genuine GHD guaranteed performance that you just know when you buy GHD you're going to get an amazing result. And I think kind of over the years when I have kind of tested a few other cordless heated tool brands, that's the one thing you notice. You're like, it's just, yeah, it's great because it's cordless, but kind of my hair quality and the end result doesn't look amazing. So you can really see how it's giving my hair that kind of 65% more shine. So here I'm just going to smooth my bangs, kind of tuck it under a little bit so it'll flick back nicely. Bend that around. And there we go, straightened half of my head, and it has taken me down only 2 bars on my styler. So I can personally, I have got a lot of hair, but it is fine. I can personally style my full head. Say if obviously, because I know I've used 2 tools today just to show you both of the colours, but I could use just 1 tool and straighten my full head. So I do have fine hair, but I do have quite a lot of it. But you can just see that amazing result. So it's still so versatile. You can straighten with it, curl with it, wave with it. I think the only other thing to add on as well is the warranty on GHD Unplugged is 2 years, which is amazing for a cordless tool. I don't think any of the other cordless straighteners have a 2-year warranty on it, and that's styler and the battery inside. The technology behind GHD Unplugged is called hybrid co-lithium technology, and that basically means it's the combination of the co-lithium batteries, so the same kind of batteries you'd find in an iPhone, combined with the dual zone technology. So the amazing thing also about GHD Unplugged is we can guarantee the same results as the Ghd Styler because it has the dual zone technology inside. So it's really, really an incredible technology, an amazing tool. Honestly, these are just, everyone's going crazy for these, and I'm so pleased that I can show you how they work, explain all of the details and the features in this video for you guys. So we have straight hair, and I've used the white styler on this side, and then we have waves, and I've used the black styler on this side. Of course, you can use both stylers to create both looks, loads of different looks. I just wanted to show you both of the colours today, 2 different looks, how super easy it is to create these looks. And I enhanced some waves here, and I literally lost only 20%. I just dropped 1 bar. I straightened half of my head, so I did all of the hair on this side, and then I lost 2 bars with this styler as well. So I've still got plenty of charge left on these. I'm gonna go and top up my charge now on these stylers, so next time I go to use them, it's on 100%. Again, pop them in my handbag, ready to use on the go. So please let me know any comments or any kind of feedback you guys have in the comments. Let me know which colour is your favourite, the black unplugged or the white unplugged. And yes, please feel free. I would love to if you could like the video, share the love, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Thanks, guys.